Hey, so just wanted to show a mod that I did today because I had this fan film shoot last week, and I kind of had the helmet or the head going together sort of how it would normally go traditionally. There's what do you call it, like a eyelet screw that goes into the top of this head, and then there's a recess there, and then there's just the antenna and it screws in. And then previously I had my neck collar with the T-nuts, and then the neck bolts would like screw in, and it was really fidgety, especially for people that hadn't done it before. I had a whole bunch of people helping me out that had never put this together, even though I showed them. It's like, it's kind of hard, right? Like you're pushing against something soft, your neck, and it was a huge kind of pain in the butt. So I kept the antenna pretty much the same. I think this is important because you want something secure that's going to hold it in place. So this is threaded with like I think it's an 832 bolt, and it only takes like 2 turns to get it in. Just trying to keep that bolt really short in there, right? So if you look at it here, the antenna is already threaded. I can't remember where I got this from. It's like years ago now, but I tapped it for an 832 thread, and I just tried to make the bolt as short as possible so that it would, it only requires a couple turns, right? So yeah, it's like probably like 1.5, turns, and it's like fully seated. And there's a metal nut inside. It's not threading into the resin. It's metal in there, so it's not gonna strip out or anything. And then instead, what I did here was I glued in rare earth magnets. These are about 1/2-inch rare earth magnets. And then I modeled these, I took Jesse's neck bolts and just booleaned a hole into it. And then I printed like this little FDM spacer because the holes on the side of the head, they were already kind of big from previous brass ones. And the magnet here I used a 1/4-inch steel rod. So now you just go like that and it snaps in. And same with this one here, snaps in. So I believe this is how the sequel ones are done. Maybe from like Force Awakens. I don't know about Last Jedi. And then I know that on Rise of Skywalker, their whole face is a little bit more flexible, and they've got like nubs that stick out of the side of the chin here. And I believe those have magnets. And then these are sort of fake. They're like, sort of glued on to this part. So you kind of like squeeze this together, flex it in, and then it snaps in, and there's magnets in there that hold it in place. But in this particular case, I'm just doing it whether it's threaded rods, steel rods. They get held in with magnet, and they're pretty strong. Like they're not gonna, you have to pull them out with a good amount of force. But now you can, right? It's not going to come apart because the steel rod passes through both parts. It passes through the back of the head and the face, and then contacts the magnet. So there's no way that it can really come apart. So I'm hoping that that's going to be just a faster way to get dressed. You sort of, I was trying to be cool and be like, yeah, I'm straight out of 77 and do everything exactly like they had. And I just sort of like gave up on that, just in the name of comfort. It's just way easier to do it this way. I made a couple sets of these, so in case one drops or breaks or something like that, it's just easy to replace. And then it's just really quick to put this on. It's certainly easier for people who've never done it before to put it on, right? So anyways, I hope that helps you guys out.